Hey everyone, my name is Subran Khan, back with another new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the GetGrass airdrop eligibility, how you can check your eligibility of the GetGrass token. And let me clear one thing. I'm really disappointed with my GetGrass allocation, and most of the people are very disappointed with the GetGrass. I mean, I've been working tirelessly for the past 6 months. I mean, dedicating countless hours, sacrificing my sleep, and constantly opening my laptop. All what I get, I mean, 100 tokens in return for that 6 months of tirelessly, mindlessly opening my laptop to farm GetGrass, to get more points from the GetGrass. So I started the journey with high hopes. Like many of you, I believe in the potential of GetGrass. I put in the work, did my research, and stayed committed. But now looking back, I can't help but I feel sense of frustration and disappointment. I mean, really, we all feel like that. Let's jump into the screen video. I'm gonna show you how can you check your eligibility of the GetGrass. So how to check the GetGrass eligibility? You need to go to their Twitter, and there is the first tweet, and there is the link. I'm gonna put this link in the description. You can check from the description, and you can see that the airdrop breakdown. The closed alpha people will get 1.5%. The epoch from 1 to 7 get 7%. Bonus epoch will not is in this eligibility criteria. It will be coming up in the next announcement by the GetGrass, and this is what the airdrop breakdown look like. So this is what I got from the GetGrass after almost 6 months of tirelessly farming the GetGrass points, and this is what I've got in return, 102 points. I mean, most of the people get very less point from me, like 30-40 GetGrass token, I mean, for like 5 to 6 months. And on the other side, the dogs airdrop, which was a very low effort airdrop, like on the Telegram, you just need to do this simple task to follow their Telegram, their Twitter, and in return you get $50 to $60 from the supply of 1 billion token. Yes, you heard it right. It has a supply of 1 billion token. Yeah, let me show you. Look at here. Total supply will be 1 billion grass token with 10% set aside for the first airdrop. So billion token supplies, I mean, like, it's insane for a project like GetGrass. You should be around like 250 to 300 million token supply in order to get a higher price. But at this point, 1 billion supply, the maximum price of a token will be 0.8 cent to $1. I mean, I have 100 tokens, and I'll get like $100 for grinding 6 months. I mean, it's just insane how the team did the calculation. I mean, you should go with the criteria of hourly connected. How many hours did you connected with the GetGrass? I have 600k or 700k points, and I've got 102 tokens. So that's it from the video. I mean, I'm really disappointed, and I don't know how to describe the. So I hope the GetGrass team comes up with a better solution. I really don't feel really motivated right now, and I'm really disappointed. And you can see there also a tire system in this. The epoch one is, my tire is 6, my tire, then epoch 2 I have tire 8, then tire 4, tire 3. I have very less tire in epoch 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've only got like 8 grass token, 9, 12. I don't know what's up with this. So I'm making video on Telegram bots. The video will be in the description. You can check it out. It has very low effort airdrop, like dogs airdrop. You can really put some time into it, and you can make a handsome amount of money, and you can join through my link in the description. I'm just hoping if they don't get it, we move on. Like in life, there's nothing we can do just to brag about it for a certain time, then we move on. That's it. I mean, really disappointed with the GetGrass team. Bye guys.